The FIFA World Cup is the biggest and most watched sports event on Earth. It is an international soccer tournament where countries compete to become world champions. The tournament is organized by the FIFA, the governing body of world soccer. FIFA was founded in 1904. International soccer competition. The first FIFA World Cup took place in 1930, bringing together teams from around the world for a historic tournament in Uruguay. The tournament is usually held every 4 years. National teams must first qualify through regional competitions. Only the best teams earn a place in the World Cup. After years of hard work and tough qualification matches, reaching the tournament is a dream come true. Millions of fans follow the qualification process for years. The 2026 World Cup features 48 national teams, the largest tournament ever. Teams are divided into groups at the start of the tournament. Each team plays several matches against other teams in its group. Wins, draws, and goals determine which teams advance. The best teams move into the knockout stage. In knockout games, the losing team goes home. The winning team continues toward the final. If a knockout match is tied, extra time may be played. If still tied, the game can be decided by penalty kicks. The final match decides the world champion. The winning team lifts the famous World Cup trophy. The trophy is one of the most recognized awards in sports. Countries spend years preparing for the tournament. Some players dream of playing in the World Cup since childhood. The tournament creates unforgettable moments and historic goals. Billions of viewers watch World Cup matches worldwide. The World Cup brings together different cultures and nations. Famous teams like Brazil, Argentina, and Germany have won multiple World Cup titles, creating unforgettable moments in football history. Many of the greatest soccer players became legends through the World Cup. Hosting the World Cup can transform cities and stadiums. The event generates billions of dollars in economic activity. They come together to celebrate the beautiful game. The FIFA World Cup is more than a tournament. It's a global celebration of sport, passion, and national pride.